Remember to like, subscribe, hit the bell, comment, share. Everything you do does help the channel. And if you want to help out a little more, you can head over to my Patreon, try to get yourself a mug, sticker, or tote bag. Link in the description. I also do exclusive giveaways. All right, everybody, do I have a video for you? I'm very excited about this. I just got this box in the mail right now. I told my nephew, he was here with me. I told him to watch and wait for the truck. He booted out there and he went and grabbed this package for me. It was pretty funny to watch. I just got the Stokes Facebook live stream special edition, one of 250 Zippo. I just got it in. Now, to even it out, I ordered a pipe insert. I was $5 short of free delivery, so I just ordered a pipe insert. They're $5. I got something else too, but that's for another video. So I know for a fact this is the Zippo. We'll just take this out of here. And we will get a sneak peek and a good look at this thing. I absolutely love this Zippo. Because I really like Stokes. I really like her design work. Guarantee is tucked in here. I'm going to take it out because I like to put my stickers on the box. Now, the funny thing is, it says it's $55.95, but I never paid that for the Zippo. I only paid $39.99. So it's funny to see that sticker, and it's a silver sticker instead of the regular black ones. I guess I have one right here to show you. I can just pluck one out here. Like, see, this is a regular sticker, and it's reverse color. Pretty interesting, I thought. Just noticed that now. Alright, so now I take all the stickers off. I'm not reselling this. A lot of people, okay, they were featuring different artists on every one, and they had a lot of different people come on. Every one of those Zippos sold for $40, and then they all ended up on eBay after and were selling for $150. So, like, I could take this and I could put this, I'm just going to grab something here. I can take this and I can put it for sale for $150 brand new, but I'm not doing that because that's not what I'm in for. I bought this to keep and collect, and this sticker is a real pain to get off here. I wanted to keep it looking good, but it's really stuck on. I'm just getting it piece by piece. One sec. I'll edit this out. There we go. Maybe I won't. That was pretty quick. Okay, so what I always do is I always put the sticker on the inside of the box. Try to flatten it back out. And I'm going to take the verification off. Which one did I get? Oh, 142 of 250. I was near the end. Oh, I was near the end. I'm glad I got this one. I did, because I know these are sold out too. Yeah, and you can follow Ann Stokes out on Instagram too. She posts pictures like daily of some really cool things. Oh, just look at that imagery too. It's called Stargazer. This Zippo is called Stargazer. You can see she's holding like galaxies in her hand, and the galaxies are off in the distance. It's just really cool imagery, really cool picture. 142 of 250. Absolutely love this. Since this is going away, okay, let's check the date here. So it's an F of 20, so it's a year old, and it's a G20 insert. So what I always do is I always take the flint out of these. There's no sense leaving a flint in here, especially if you're not going to use it. It's just going to get rock hard in there, and it's a flint. It's a flint you could use, you know what I mean, down the road. I do this with all my Zippos. I always keep my flint. So my flint is actually running out, so I'm just going to use that right away. Then I put this back in. Man, I have to say, what a beautiful lighter. I'm just happy to have it, happy to have in the collection. You get a special cardboard that comes in. Yeah, oh look, there's her website and everything. See reverse card for product information. And that's probably just random random jargon. But absolutely love this Zippo. Absolutely happy to have this collectible. Very limited run. Very happy to support Ann Stokes. She's a great artist. And, you know, this is going to be a great Zippo to pass on to one of my nieces one day, you know, down the road. I know some people might not like it and think, oh, well, you know, it's a fairy Zippo or whatever. I get it. You know, you might not like that. I happen to think the artwork looks great. I think it's really cool. I honestly, the only thing I'm regretting now is that I didn't buy two, because I would have loved to buy one to use. So, but I'm not going to be able to. But I'll always be able to check this out and look at it and respect it. And I don't have a ton of Ann Stokes lighters. I don't buy every one. I'm not one of those collectors. But when she has a very limited run like this, a very special run, I'm definitely going to jump on board. Just because of the price of the value, this Zippo jumps, right? So it was a great Zippo. It was a great buy. I have more unboxing video comes, packages coming in. Jeremy's package just came in. Be ready for that video. So stay tuned, everybody. Take care. I'll see you in the next one.